work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution, this one is the maths problem that you're having. So we have 4 to the power of a is equals to 100. So how do you work out this maths problem? Now 100 is a whole number, 4 is a base, then a is an index. So for us to work out it properly, we need to introduce the log from both sides. So in this case, now we shall have the log of 4 to the power of a is equals to the log of 100. So from there, suppose we know that when we have the log of p to the power of m, so this one can also be written as m, the log of p. So meaning that here now we shall rearrange this and have a log 4 is equals to the log of 100. So from here now we need to remove this 4 from this side so that we take it on the other end, meaning that we shall divide both sides by 4. So in this case now we shall have all over the log of 4 all over the log of 4. Then now from there we shall now cancel both sides. So the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel. So now our a now is equals to the log of 100 all over the log of 4. So that is not the answer. We can still go ahead and simplify this particular answer. So now we shall now have a is equals to, so the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 25. Then now into bracket, then now all over, so now we shall have it all over the log of 4. So from there now we shall proceed, and now we shall have, so now we shall now have a, so is equals to, now assume here before we write the value of a, suppose we have something like the log of ab. This one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So in this case, when you write the value of a, we shall have now a is equals to the log of now 4 plus the log of 25. So plus the log of 25 all over the log of 4. So now we shall divide both sides by this for now. So now our a is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 4 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 25, then all over the log of 4. So from here now our a is equals to, so the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel each other. So a is equals to 1 plus now the log of 25 all over the log of 4. So the log of 25 all over the log of 4. So here, so we shall now remain with that particular answer. So in this case, we remember that when we have the log of a all over the log of b, this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So let's now change the log of 25 all over the log of 4 into the form of the log of a to the base of b. So in this case now, here now we shall have something like, so we shall now say that our a now is equals to 1 plus the log of 25 to the base of 4. So these are now marks our final answer for the value of a. So if you worked it out and you got it in this form, you did it and you happens to find the correct answer. So let's now confirm or verify the answers that we had. So this one is what we had. So our problem was 4 to the power of a is equals to 100. So instead of having a, we shall now have 4 now to the power of 1 plus the log of 25 to the base of 4 is equals to 100. So from here now, when you work it out, we shall now say that 4 to the power of 1. So now we shall have 4 to the power of 1. So the plus shall change to the multiplication. So now we shall have 4 to the power of the log of 25 to the base of 4 is equals to 100. So from here now, so 4 to the power of 1 is 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. Then now times the log of the log to the base of 4 shall cancel with this 4. So now we shall have 25 alone is equals to 100. So 4 multiplied by 25 is 100. So now we shall have 100 is equals to 100. So it means that our answer was very, very correct. When we concluded that our value for A, so A is equals to 1 plus the log of 25 to the base of 4. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, please kindly subscribe to our channel.